So today we will discuss the easiest trick to find hybridization and geometry as per valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. तो और अगर हमें hybridization जब पता चल जाएगा then geometry will be for sp hybridization it will be linear, sp2 it will be trigonal planar, sp3 it will be tetrahedral, sp3d it will be trigonal bipyramidal, sp3d2 octahedral, sp3d3 pentagonal bipyramidal. तो सबसे पहले हम hybridization निकालेंगे. तो उसके लिए जो फार्मूला है that is z is nothing but the number of lone pairs plus number of bond pairs that is given by half into number of valence electrons on central atom plus number of monovalent atoms plus negative charge if any minus positive charge if any. तो हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं CO2 का. सपोज CO2 का निकालना है हमें. तो CO2 में z will be half into number of valence electrons on central atom that is carbon and this number of valence electrons on carbon is nothing but 4. So there is no monovalent atom, so it will be 2. So hybridization will be sp and the geometry will be linear. SO2 में देख लेते हैं. SO2 में z will be half into number of valence electrons on sulfur that is nothing but 6 and there is no monovalent atom, so it will be 3 and the hybridization will be sp2 and the geometry will be trigonal planar. Suppose next is your XeO3F2. इसमें अगर हमें z निकालना है then z will be nothing but half into number of electrons on central atom that is xenon it is 8 plus number of monovalent atoms that is 2, so this is 5 and the hybridization will be sp3d. Okay, and the geometry will be trigonal bipyramidal. Next example ले लेते हैं हम. So that is how quickly we can find out the hybridization and the corresponding geometry. Next, suppose ammonia में निकालना है हमें, then z will be half into number of valence electrons on nitrogen it is 5 plus number of monovalent atoms it is 3, so it will be 4 and the hybridization will be sp3 and the geometry will be tetrahedral. Next, take water H2O. Here z will be half into number of valence electrons on central atom that is oxygen it is 6 plus monovalent atoms is 2, so it will be 4. Again the hybridization is sp3 and the geometry will be tetrahedral. Okay, let us take NO3 minus ion, nitrate ion. Here z will be nothing but half into number of valence electrons on nitrogen that is 5 plus there is no monovalent atom and negative charge is -1, so we add 1, so it will be 3 and the hybridization will be sp2 and the geometry will be trigonal planar. तो इस तरह से हम सभी given molecules का या ions का जो है hybridization and the corresponding geometry we can find out. Thank you and wish you all the best.